today I'm going to make a salad. I'll be using cucumber, cherry tomatoes, young onion, and avocado. So first, cut your cucumber in half. Now I'm going to cut in cubes. So I'm going to cut my cherry tomato. You can either keep it whole or cut it in half. Now I'm going to add avocado. My mom already cut it because it's too hard for me. Just use your spoon to take it out. Now it's time to cut your young onion. Now I'm going to transfer it to the bowl. After transferring into a bowl, add olive oil. Next, add a squeeze of lemon. Add your salt and pepper. Add cheese. This is the cheese I'll be using. Mix it well.